My favorite part about MJR, other than the actual work that they did, was their personalities. Each member of the team had a unique personality, and I just trusted everyone. We would leave the house for days on end, and they were in and out of the house, and I just knew that everything was going to be taken care of. Everyone provided straight answers and very understandable answers too when I had a question. I don't speak electrical talk, but they made it quite understandable for us as lay people to understand what was going on and why we required certain upgrades to our electrical systems. So MJR Electric was involved in almost every floor of the house in the renovation process, from upgrading the electrical system to all the placement of the pot lights, the chandeliers, as well as ensuring that the house was suitable to the new appliances that we put into the house. So they were involved with everything from the very beginning to the very end of the 9-month process. Prior to working with MJR Electric, we had had experiences with other electricians before. While they did the job, it wasn't just right. There was always some additional problems, callbacks and whatnot. Time estimates weren't always correct or anywhere near what they'd initially told us. And so when it came time to deciding who would be involved in the major renovation project, it was a no-brainer at that point. So our general contractor highly recommended MJR. They'd worked with them before, communication was there, the trust was there, so that was the first point. And the second point was the fact that I knew MJR as well too. I knew Quinn, I knew his team, and so it was pretty easy. MJR's ability to communicate with the rest of the team was seamless, and it's seen in the work and the final product as well too. The communication clearly was there because the vision of the designer is reflected in MJR's work. So I think that is something that will always stand out for me. Every time I turn on the lights in the house, whenever I'm in the kitchen, whenever I'm in any part of the house that they were involved in, MJR's kind of there. If my best friend was looking for an electrician, I would recommend MJR. They do a great job. I trust them. Everyone who's come to our house has seen the work that they've done. So the testimonial is there when they walk through the house, and so it's going to be a pretty easy sell.